I wish I could give you a pill. No. I could give you a pill, but it'd be like Alka-Seltzer or something. You know what I'm saying? Advil, that's not going to get in, right? Because, you know, it's so, you know, like in a bull, the 10 bull ox herding pictures, right? You know, the final one he's saying is too much time has been spent on this search just to get home, for Christ's sake, where you already are. Something like that, paraphrase. Yeah. Yes.
Do you think that a pill would ever be made somehow?
No, never. You cannot.
I mean, directly.
I mean, lots and lots of pills are made, but I'm assuming the rest of the sentence is right for enlightenment, right?
Even like opening the brain and changing something in the brain.
No. Cannot happen. See, because direct consciousness or enlightenment is not a function of physiology. It's not a function of the brain. If it was, then sure, we could do this. Say, like some people, like I said, they want to suck on toads, you know, or toad juice, right? Because it changes their state incredibly dramatically. They say, I'm having an enlightenment experience, but they're not. They're having an incredibly new, different experience. You know, which, nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, but
So if you like toad juice, you know, go for it, but I'm saying it's not enlightenment.
But there still seems to be things we can do in a relative world which increases the probability of having an enlightenment.
Right.
So maybe we could imagine a pill which increases the probability to a very, very high degree, like it's 1,000 times increased.
Okay. Well, that would probably be the toad juice.
Yeah.
Now, I don't know why toads would care about enlightenment or consciousness, and I don't know why secretions from a toad should have that effect. But still, now, could you do toad juice and have an enlightenment experience? Yeah, you could. See, because it doesn't make any difference what you do. What you are is always what you are, no matter what, if you're on drugs or not on drugs. You know, it doesn't make any difference. That aspect, but the drug itself isn't going to produce it. Only you are.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.